Today is really very special for me. I got to see the most popular characters from the book of fantasy world. All are alive right in front of me, wishing me good day. It's wonderful. I looked and looked, nothing could I say. Hello friends, I'm Shanghamitra from India. Now I'm enjoying myself in the wonder world of Disneyland Paris. It's so nice. People from all over the world have gathered here. The place is appropriate both for the adults as well as children. Beautiful fountains are expressing their joy and mirth. Colorful flowers seem to be laughing due to the presence of lively, cheerful children. Today I am going to share my fantastic experience of Disneyland and all the rides I have held. In all my videos you will get a small story. It started with the railroad experience. This toy train will take us round the Disney park and I can make an idea where the rides are and how big is the whole area. Today I would like to lose myself in the maze garden willingly. Today I would like to confuse myself intentionally. Today I would like to dance with Minnie, Mickey, Donald. Today I would like to forget I am an adult. I would like to become a child. Little elder sister is taking care of her sibling in the pram. Just see the family bonding of the foreign land. Aged grandparents have come with their grandchildren to make the whole surrounding brighter and happier. The cute little baby has also arrived in his pram with his mom and dad. Here is every reason to be happy. Happiness is not by chance, it's by choice. Now see, mom is coming with two girls wearing the same dress. They are so cheerful. They are looking so nice. Now for some times your YouTuber Shanghamitra has kept away her camera and she is just looking the surroundings, how beautiful it is. Now the bubbles of happiness is spreading everywhere. Little child, source of all the smile. La 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 la. Now I have arrived in front of the Frontierland and will be watching the Legends of the Wild West. Right now entering the Frontierland. It's the Legends of the Wild West. All the wooden structures, the light, the buildings remind us of the Wild West. Big Thunder Mountain is visible and we are approaching towards it. It's very attractive and we are going for the ride. Big Thunder Mountain. It's dangerous. At last I have arrived in front of Big Thunder Mountain. Before coming over here, we were given a list of rides which we are supposed to avoid. And one such ride is this, which is totally prohibited for those who are suffering from high blood pressure, acrophobia, fear of height and motion sickness, or if they are heart patients. I don't have any of them, but still I think I should have avoided it. But it was looking so attractive that we have come here, and now I am standing in the line and gradually proceeding towards the station to get into the train that will take us into the mining area of Big Thunder Mountain. The wildest ride in the wilderness. Legend has it that soon after gold was first discovered here in 1850s, eerie things began to happen. Trains would take off and race through tunnels by themselves. After you arrive at the legendary Big Thunder Mining Company, descend into an abandoned mine shaft and board your train. As you enter the cursed cavern, engine speeds up along the rickety track. Dodge exploding dynamite and falling boulders as you swoop around turns, drop into canyons and dart through the mysterious ghost town of Tumbleweed. Now, we are standing in a queue, but we are getting an ambience as if we are inside the mine. See, all the arrangements are here, which will make you feel that you are inside the mine. No feelings of boredom because many things are there to observe inside. The whole process is very much thrilling, I can say, and you can gather a lot of experience about mining. And about the ride, I can say the Old West theme and the thrill of the ride can definitely get your heart rate up. But it's like that most of the people can handle. But it's very rough. Still standing in the queue, waiting and waiting. Now I'm very close to the station, but feeling scared about some impending danger, though I know not what it is. Let's see what happens. Now I'm at the station and getting ready to board the train and take my seat. 2 tracks are there, I can see. Trains are starting one after another, keeping a certain time gap. My train has arrived and I have taken my seat. My journey has started. Let's see how it will be. It was a rip-roaring adventure and it was a real blast. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is a fast roller coaster type attraction designed for both kids and adults, but I think aged people shouldn't come for it and kids should be very careful. Some parts of this attraction are bumpy and in some instances it takes place through pitch darkness and it's very scary. It's a terrifying one.
দারুণ এক্সপিরিয়েন্স জিন্দেগিতে এরকম কিছুতে উঠিনি আমরা। হার্ট ফেল করে যাবো, হার্ট বেরিয়েই গেছে ভেবেছি, চোখ বন্ধ করে ঠাকুরের নাম নিচ্ছি খালি।
Now it's the Wonder World, Fantasyland, so colorful, so lively. Friends, how will you feel if you suddenly meet your favorite characters from fairy tales? Cinderella, Snow White, Hansel and Gretel. You will be astonished to see them alive in flesh and blood in front of your eyes. Same happened with me. Just fantastic. One by one they came, wished us good day, and within moments they all vanished as if they were in my dreams. But I know I witnessed them in reality. Small World is at a distance. When we entered Disneyland, we were informed to take the map with us so that it would be easier for us to look at a particular ride. We can go for our desired rides. But we were so much excited at that time that we forgot to take the map and follow any sort of instructions. We did exactly what our minds directed and we were totally free. We did exactly as we wished. Now we are in front of the small world. I'm now standing in a queue and proceeding forward for my turn to get into the boat. One by one, the boats are arriving, passengers are getting into it to be in the small world. Our boat is ready and we are about to start. One thing is common for all the tourists of the world. Each and everyone wants to captivate the beautiful sights in their mobiles, which will refresh everything happening now. Let's go inside and see what's there in the small world. Father-daughter bonding is always charming. Our day in Disneyland is lovely. It is so full of joy that it would stay as a source of happiness, delight, elation and glee. It will be forever memorable to me. So nice it is. I enjoyed thoroughly. দারুণ ঘুরলাম ডিসনি, খুব সুন্দর। So friends, stay with me and enjoy my Europe tour. I'm going to upload fresh new video, the next part of my journey very soon.